Hello everyone, Nivedita is here by taking a video on the topic drugs and its addiction. Okay, so this is a topic and what kind of drugs we are talking of and what is addiction. This we will know. Begin with what is addiction. So see, this is a topic from class 12th biology. Okay, so begin with what is addiction. So when we say addiction, so it is the physical and mental dependence of the body on the certain substances like drugs. So we are saying drugs means drugs are certain type of chemicals. Okay, so what happens when person takes it? Initially people used to take these substances to get mental relaxation and to escape from the realities of life. Okay, this is the purpose why the people take drugs. And what happens? Prolonged use of drugs, it may lead to physical and mental dependence of the body on them. So this happens means not only physically but also mentally the person becomes dependent on drugs. So this is addiction. Now drug abuse, what's it? See, narcotics means these are the drugs. Narcotics like opium, psychomotor stimulants like cocaine, amphetamine, caffeine and nicotine, sedatives and antidepressants, alcohol, hallucinogens like LSD. We will know more about the LSD in the coming slides. Okay, and marijuana. These are some of the commonly used or abused psychoactive drugs. These drugs are normally used as medicine and this helps patient to cope up with the mental illness like depression, insomnia and so on. Okay, this is the real purpose ki why these drugs are used. Okay, but when people misuse it, okay, but when they are taken for a purpose other than normal clinical use in an amount, then these impair their physical, psychological functions of the individuals. Okay, and this conditions constitutes the drug abuse. Okay, this is so means the purpose is clinical purpose, the actual purpose is, but the people they take it for some other purposes and in other amounts. Okay, so this is drug abuse. So we will know about certain type of drugs means of drugs category. These are we will study the different categories like opioids. Opioids means these are the drugs which are obtained from exudate of unripe capsule of poppy plant. Means it is obtained from the poppy plant. The scientific name of this plant is Papaver somniferum. Okay. एंड मेरे ख्याल से बहुत लोग इस पौधे को जानते होंगे जो हम मसाले के लिए किचन में हमारे जो मसाले होते हैं उसमें जो खसखस हुआ करती है ओके इम्पॉर्टेंट इंग्रेडिएंट हुआ करता है बहुत सारी चीज़ों में उसका उपयोग होता है वो खसखस के जो दाने होते हैं एक्चुअली वो पेपेवर सोमिनिफेरम का ही प्रोडक्ट है ओके सो दैट वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ दैट प्लांट दैट इज पॉपी प्लांट ओके तो उसके एक्सुडेट जो अनराइप कैप्सूल होता है उसमें से निकाला जाता है फिर उसको सुखाया जाता है okay that exudate is air dried and used as a opium and basically opium is the painkiller drugs that acts on CNS central nervous system means it is analgesic and it reduce anxiety tension and respiratory activity also So these are the opioids. We will study its other forms. So means the what alkaloids which are obtained from the opium. So first one is morphine. Okay, it is the main constituent of opium, and it is a strong analgesic and has sedative and calming effect. It suppresses brain function and relieves intense pain during fractures, burn and surgery. Okay, second is heroin. It is a crystalline powder which are obtained from morphine by acetylation. It is more potent than morphine and it is used as potent painkiller, and it is taken by snorting or by injection. So these were the two important alkaloids which were obtained from the opium one. And as I told you, heroin means heroin also reduces tension, anxiety, it lowers the blood pressure, it causes drowsiness, reduced vision, weight loss, and in nature it is semi-synthetic opiates and also called as smack. Now the second category of the drug is cannabinoids, and these are the drugs which interact with cannabinoid receptors which are present in the brain. Okay, and this is obtained from the inflorescence, that is flower tips or inflorescence of the plant Cannabis sativa. Okay, and the flower tops, leaves and the resin of cannabis plants are used in various combinations to produce marijuana, hashish, charas and gaja, and these are taken by inhalation or oral ingestion. The third category, coca alkaloids or cocaine. So this is obtained from the coca plant, that is Erythroxylum coca. And these drugs, this interferes with the transport of neurotransmitters dopamine, and it has a potent stimulating action on CNS and a sense of increased energy. And when this is taken in excessive amount, it may cause hallucination, loss of appetite and lack of sleep. Here I will tell you what does hallucination means. Hallucination means dreaming. Dreaming means nothing exists there, but the person found himself in a different world. Okay, that is hallucination. मीन्स लाइक वो पर्सन फील कर रहा है कि मैं बादलों में उड़ रहा हूँ और समथिंग लाइक दैट विच इज नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग, नॉट एक्चुअल वन. So that is hallucination. Okay, and this drugs, it leads to damage mental function and mental intensity also. One more important drug, LSD. We will know this LSD is, it stands for lysergic acid diethylamide. Okay, this is very important to keep its full form. Okay, and this is obtained from the ergot fungus, that is Claviceps purpurea. Its scientific name is. And this LSD, this is a very powerful hallucinogen and is always smoked. Means how it is taken, so it is smoked, and it causes great damage to the central nervous system, and it also damages genetic material, that is chromosome, and also leads to production of abnormal fetus. So this is about the drugs, different types of drugs, different categories, and we have just gone through how this is taken, actually what important means what important role they have. This is so, and drug abuse as well.